I have one fine gentleman, talking of content. He's been there, saying a very simple individual, yet I bet anything, if I should activate your phones right now, your smartphone, I'll find at least one of his videos on your phone. Dr. Likee Akwaba.
Yeah,
now, Dr. Likee, you be say, you know, for a big night like this for Ghana music, you know, if Dr. Likee who bang.
Once I Ghana family home.
That's right. Yeah. And now we know you also have a lot to do with the musicians. You are in some music videos. You use Ghanaian music video a lot in your skits as well. And you pretend to be some of them as well. Because you've been medical before. You have been Ifya at Odo's date before. What else haven't you been?
Oba Hakra na Talesha na Miana Mtomano.
Ifya Ododiano.
Yeah. Miana Mtuto Bibia Mano. And I'm gonna buy you buy and Tokwaka Chris, but this one no, it's not ply blind.
Sorry?
I said it's not a ply blind.
But who is your favorite musician currently? Do you have one?
Say mature me a songwriter. Mature nyom ama artist ni bebre. Nti so bi sam say wine na ye ma mature nyom ama medical.
And you bang
Stone Boy, let me land. My children, I'm a lot of artists, you know, Obia and my favorite. Yeah.
What are some of your songs that probably we might not know?
What's it there?
And you bang now try bia ye sheda nimsa.
Medical, the kunima kuminam chiromano.
Medical then?
Medical kumnima kum.
Showdown.
Send me a mini showdown. Let me give me a showdown. Menam trauma medical. And yet, no, listen, let's put everything aside. Menam a trauma.
Let's put everything where?
Side. I don't know, I'm a camera phone, I will say repeat it.
Send me pay more, like calling for help.
Is it?
Huh? Dr. Likee, we are proud of you.
You sure?
Yeah, we are very proud of you. We appreciate all you do for Mother Ghana.
Thank you.
Do you have an album coming up?
Album the Minibi, but 22nd of May. You know, you go O2 Indigo. Any of this skirt, you know, I copy.
What did they
skirt, and I made the air, you know. Obey my James Gardner, Baba Sreme.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Likee, come on. Give it up for him, give it up for him. I don't want to say all I've seen yet, but watch out for the performances we got lined up for you tonight. Keep that hashtag going. I'll be right back.